What we have here is a ShopBot. The paperwork says it was new in 2009. It's got the assembly manual, the owner's manual, software. It's got the router spindle on it. They've been milling aluminum, foam, and wood with this. Read that. Got the Columbo motor, or spindle. It was used for about a year and a half, and then the project was shut down. So it's got very light use, just used to make prototypes. So it's got a half a wood deck. Someone got excited there and cut a hole in the wood deck. And about half of an aluminum deck. It's got some hold downs for larger parts attached to it. It is on wheels. Someone added a caster kit to it. It's got the leveling jacks, and it's got wheels on all four corners. Underneath, it has the air system, and then it's piped. We have the dust collection system in the building outside, which is a Grizzly. So you can see they're machining some aluminum parts on top of an aluminum table. You can tell by the table it hasn't been used a whole lot. Look on the gantry. We have a laptop that's I guess the brains of the operation. The secondary screen, and it's on a little stand here against the wall. Here's the drive for the motor, the spindle mounted. Right here we have the Grizzly dust collector that goes with the ShopBot. It's got the dust and cyclone with it, and it's under roof, been under roof the whole time.